Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Hopefully you guys are having a great time out there, wherever you guys are. And if you're in America, guys, it's time to wakey, get that cup of joe down you. And, I know that a lot of you out there are looking at the BTC markets and the crypto markets right now, and you're seeing things down, and you're probably wondering why things are going down. Well, basically the reason things are going down, remember, this is not financial advice. It's just an OG in the house, guys. The reason we're going down is because we had the greedy leverage traders again thought that they could outsmart the market because they thought that Bitcoin was going up, and yesterday it went up to just over $52,000 and it went above the 21-day EMA. So they thought that they would be pretty smart, and they were all geniuses, and they basically took leverage positions and they took long positions, and they bet that Bitcoin was going up. Well, there was almost, a whole ton of longs that got wrecked. And, when people think that they can outsmart the market will always do the opposite of what you think it's going to do, and it's going to wreck you. So, if anything, if you watch this video from the beginning to the end, or even just watch, 30 seconds, the message I want to tell you guys, stop leveraging leverage trading. Because, it's wrecking it for everybody. All the people that are, serious investors, not traders out there, who are, holding Bitcoin and, other altcoins and, on their spot accounts, or just holding in their hardware wallets or wherever, or in the software wallets. Every time the leverage longs out there get greedy and they think they can outsmart the markets, what happens is you guys cause a cascading dump on Bitcoin, and then, it delays the whole process again. And then we just got to wait 2 or 3 days before Bitcoin comes back up again. And, no doubt the leverage traders are going to be back at it again in the next couple of days after they lick their wounds and realize, oh yeah, maybe I can make my money back. Guys, stop it. 90% of all leverage traders out there lose money. In this business, in the crypto business, if you want to make money, you do one thing. You buy, you dollar cost average, hodl, wait for life-changing wealth. That's it. The key to making money in crypto is one thing. Be patient. That's it. Be patient. Don't panic. Don't fall at the tops. And I see that time and time again, guys. So let's jump down the rabbit hole with the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto in the house, guys, spreading love over the interwebs, guys. You know you want it. You know you want some of the OG love. So keep on watching, guys. And don't forget to go down there. Smash the likes. Smash the likes. Subscribe, BYB. And guys, think about becoming a member. Becoming a member is really cool. For our super members and our VIP members, we have a private WhatsApp group. You can join that. And we have a lot of Discord on everything related to crypto. So, guys, think about becoming members, guys. So let's just jump into it right now. So, this is the current situation of crypto right now. Bitcoin is down, Ethereum's down, and we're seeing a lot of red on this heat map right now. And you guys can see right now, if we look at the top 50 losers, these are the top 50 losers. These are the losers here. And, a lot of these coins that we're seeing in the top 50, these are the biggest losers, right? And you're seeing that a lot of these coins that are in the top 50 losers are like coins that are like, way down the list, guys. So, I don't even know half of these coins here. So some of the biggest gainers as well. Let's take a look at the biggest gainers. 50 big gainers. Sushi, we know Sushi's doing pretty good. Dusk, ANT, Track. Some of these are really down the whole, are way down there. But overall, guys, you're seeing that the markets are red right now. That's all there is to it. Fear and greed is still unchanged. We're at 41 compared to where we were yesterday at 40. And we're unchanged, guys. We're unchanged. So, guys, don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, and subscribe. So, a lot of you out there, and I just thought this was funny, a lot of you out there really don't understand how crypto or Bitcoin works. So, I'll buy when it dips, and then when it goes, when the dip comes, you don't buy because you think it's going to go lower. And you keep going through this whole cycle. Oh, I'll buy when it dips, and it will go lower. And you guys just you guys fail to buy the dips. And then what happens is, it starts to go up and you guys FOMO in. Because what happens is when it goes down, you always think, oh, it's going to go lower. It's going to go lower. And you're always waiting for confirmation for things to do something before you ape in. So guys, buy the dips, dollar cost average, don't FOMO in. But a lot of you suffer from this whole, I'll buy when it dips. And then when it dips, you think it's going to go lower, and then it goes back up again. So you end up with this whole mentality, and what happens is you buy at the top, and then you start, and then you start having all of your crypto underwater, and then you start screaming, yelling, and crying, and wondering what happened. Guys, dollar cost average, buy the dips, guys. Whenever you see some significant dips for Bitcoin, Ethereum, top 20, top 30 projects, this is not financial advice. What you should do is buy the dips, guys. And if you have a scheduled DCA like me, I have a scheduled DCA day every Thursday. Doesn't matter what the price is, I buy. That's all, guys, because over time we're going to dollar cost average out, right? And things are going to be looking good. So, guys, just be wary, be smarter investors. Never use emotion, guys, and don't leverage trade. It's bad. So, some of the top 10 mentioned coins on Twitter right now. We've got a Bitcoin, of course. Solana, Solana is more popular on Twitter right now than Ethereum. That's interesting. We got Cardano because Charles had this whole big, this is a great thing that's going to happen to Cardano. The whole big spiel out there. So this is kind of like his post-Christmas message to all the Cardano 88 holders. Now, I'm not a Debbie Downer on Cardano. Don't get me wrong, guys. I mean, I'm going to ape into, I'm going to buy some more Cardano once it goes down to $1. And if it doesn't, then I won't. So, and then and then the next is Shiba Inu. Then we got OpenDAO, Terra Luna, Dogecoin, Harmony, and Polygon. So you see Harmony's getting in there, guys. So, guys, keep an eye on Harmony. Harmony's coming back up, guys. So, also, too, some people have been complaining in El Salvador that there's been some issues with the Shiva wallet, and some El Salvadorians are saying there's a lack of technical support, and some El Salvadorians are claiming that can't even speak English, that some funds from their wallet is missing, guys. So with that being said, guys, but even with some of the technical hiccups with El Salvador, you have to admit that El Salvador, they are breaking the mold, and they have Bitcoin, the first country on planet Earth, guys, to have Bitcoin as legal tender. So this is huge, guys, absolutely huge. Some other stuff that's coming in right now, as I told you guys yesterday, in the previous video, not yesterday, is that today we had a total of 309 million. People got wrecked. And most of the coins that these people were betting that were going up, where they were betting on Bitcoin, or betting on Ethereum, Solana, Luna, Matic, Sushi, all of these coins, they were betting that they were going up. Now we're seeing that Sushi right now is doing pretty good. As I showed you, it's going up. So, you're going to see that some of these leveraged longs that lost money, what they're going to do is it's going to create a little bit of a short squeeze. And, I did talk about the whole bazooka squeeze coming soon. And I believe that these leverage longs are going to try to buy back their positions. And this could start moving the market in the upward direction soon, guys. So this could happen. And so, as I said earlier, we just have to be careful. Stop with leverage trading. It's bad news, guys. Some other stuff that's coming in right now is we can see that Thailand has delayed its CBDC pilot launch to 2022. They were gonna start in 2021, but they're waiting, and don't expect the Thai CBD so soon. Bank of Thailand officials rescheduled pilot program for late 2022, unlike Japan and Russia, who are starting their pilot program for CBDC right now, guys. So it looks like, you're not going to see a Thai bot CBDC for some time, guys. So it's a bit disappointing because, Vietnam is close to Thailand. So I was hoping we can get some CBDC action going on for Thailand. But it's going to come, guys. Absolutely going to come, guys. And also, too, this is a whole Salvadorians claim funds are missing. We talked about that, guys. It's a bit of a Debbie Downer, but you guys have to understand that, once again, El Salvador is the only country accepting Bitcoin as legal tender right now. So this is huge news. Some other news that's coming in right now, we can see that, this is from Flip. What will make me happy in the New Year's if trading above the 50-day moving average, which gives me God mode combo green prediction. So we're seeing right now that if we look at the 50-day moving average on the U.S. on the Binance on the Bitcoin 3-day, we're seeing that right now that Bitcoin is trading just under the 50-day moving average on the 3-day chart. And typically, if Bitcoin can be above the 50-day moving average, then this is typically bullish. We're getting pretty close, guys. As you can see here, we're getting pretty close to this, gingerly close. And I think we're going to have a reversal because, after all the leverage longs got wrecked, the manipulation was in, and it's over, and they're all licking their wounds right now, we're going to see that Bitcoin's going to recover pretty soon. So you'll probably see in the next 24 hours, you're going to see a recovery for the biddy, and when that happens, it's going to be good news, guys. So this is from Rec Capital in the house, and what he's saying is the Bitcoin dip hasn't changed the macro side of things. So the macro fundamentals are still looking pretty good. BTC continues to respect the yellow 038 Fibonacci level, and this is really important because this Fibonacci level often indicates that BTC will be long and everything's going to be looking good. So price tendency, as long as Bitcoin monthly closes above 48.6, we got no problems, guys. So if we can continue on the monthly being above the 48.6 level, we're still okay, still confirming the bullish. So we need to stay above this 0382 Fibonacci level, and I think we're going to do that. This whole little bit of a downtrend for Bitcoin, and we're not talking huge, guys. We're only talking about 4.34%, guys. It's not a big deal. I mean, that's not even a correction. That's just like a one day. So don't panic. Don't worry about it, guys. In house. So let's take a look at the Doji Woji right now. So Doji Woji still above 18 cents, despite Bitcoin going a little bit crazy, going a little bit weird. And, this whole weird behavior was because of long leverage traders. I told you that Doge is still looking pretty strong and staying above 18 cents. So this is looking good for the Doge. If we look at the fundamentals of Doge right now, let me give this a minty refresh. And we can see right now that we're 57% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money, 40% are out. So that's okay, guys. We still have more Dogecoin holders in the profit than out, and 3% at neutral, right? So that's okay, and 61% concentration of large holders. Remember, most of that is exchanges, so don't let anyone tell you any other stories that it's not exchanges. It's exchanges, guys, and that's 99.9% of the time, guys. Now, you guys all know about the Dogecoin trail map. This is huge. This is bullish. In case you haven't watched the previous videos, basically, the Dogecoin Foundation, as the devs, have outlined a huge roadmap and things to come. And some of the big takeaways from here is this Giga Wallet, and they're going to build APIs and SDKs that are going to allow people to connect existing POS terminals to the Dogecoin blockchain and allow transactions. Now, another big takeaway from this that a lot of people aren't talking about, and I talked about it in a couple of videos, I'm repeating because some people didn't watch that, is that Starlink plus radio nodes for remote locations. So this means that if you're in a remote location like in Timbuktu on top of a mountain, it means that you can use the Muskers, the Elon Musk Starlink, to actually have radio nodes, use a Giga Wallet, and actually start using Dogecoin as a form of medium of transaction and currency, guys. So it's really going to help those people who are bankless. It's going to bring all those developed countries, all those remote locations are going to have the option and the opportunity to finally be bank full. I guess if you're bankless and now you're bank full, I guess that's a word, right? I just need to put that in the Webster dictionary. Now you're going to be bank full, guys. So you can be bankful and thankful at the same time, guys. So this is pretty good. Now, yesterday I talked about Meta's Dow coin right now. Yesterday it was up $153. Meta's Dow has come down, and this is a layer 2 solution. They're just about to launch their DEX, guys. So I talked about this about three months ago, I think, when it was at 89. Not shilling for this, but I think it's a good project, guys. Something you may want to look at. This is not financial advice, guys. So absolutely not financial advice. We're also seeing right now the Doge sentiment right now is starting to pick up a little bit. So that's good. It's coming up a little bit because right now Doge is kind of holding its own right now. So this is pretty good. And with the Doge search volume index, we're seeing that the search volume right now for Doge is a little bit down, but the social sentiment is going up. So that's good. And overall things are looking pretty good. So let's take a look at the Shiba Inu. In my last video, I don't know what happened. I had like a brain meltdown, and I called Shiba Inu Saitama, and I just kept talking about it as Saitama. I don't know what happened. I apologize. If you watched the other video, my bad, my bad. This is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu right now is at 36.97. It's trading above the 50-day moving average on the 4 hour. So this is very good. And, once Bitcoin turns around, you're going to see that Shiba Inu is going to turn around. But, from that perspective, what the Shiba Weeby needs to do is Shiba Weeby needs to stay above this zone here, guys. And you were seeing a little bit, this is my original trend line. We're going to move that over here. And we need to see Shiba Inu start to follow this trend line, which is kind of right from here. We kind of had the point of breakout. We're going along here, and then we got rejected here. So let's just adjust this. So really, we got rejected here, guys. So this is not looking good here. And then we can draw an additional trend line, probably from this point here, and go up here. So this is going to act as, this is acting as support here, guys. I would say this is some support here. Right here. So make this yellow. A green, and this is some resistance right now. So this is some resistance that we need to get above, and I think that Shiba Inu is going to do that. So let's hopefully we can stay within this upward channel line, and that's going to follow the 50-day moving average. So I think that Shiba Inu should get itself up to 40 or not, depends on how Bitcoin is going, because right now Bitcoin is the king daddy of coins, and it's really leading the pack because the dominance is there. And when Bitcoin dominance is high, it means that the majority of the money in crypto is in Bitcoin. And what we need is that money to flow out of Bitcoin into the altcoins. And when that happens, it will often stimulate the retail investors to start to FOMO in, because a lot of the altcoin projects, their rise and fall is often driven more by the retail investors than institutional investors. Okay, so you're seeing Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the top 5 projects, 10 projects are being driven by institutions and retail. So as you get lower and lower on the cryptocurrency list, you're seeing more and more of the retail investors are driving price, guys. So just keep that in mind. And then you have outlier segments like the Metaverse and gaming, and that's going to be coming back online pretty soon, guys. So don't worry about that. And that is okie dokie in the house, guys. So let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now. Bitcoin is still at 49,179. So the 49,000 level is holding pretty strong. So that is very good. And we can see here, this is the 49,173 level, and the 49,000 level is holding strong. But we're still in the Ichimoku cloud, and we're just still in the green zone. So that's pretty good. But if we go below this here, this is not good for Bitcoin. We could be going down, down. Let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house, the gaming portfolio in the house. Now, this portfolio is not too old, guys. About 4 months old, and this is my actual gaming portfolio holdings right now. So we're only up 37.8%. We were up 44% yesterday. We had a little bit of a correction with Bitcoin that's taken everything down. So compared to where we were yesterday, we were down about 20K on that. So it is what it is, right? Come on. So we're still up over 91K already. So we're down 20K. It's a nothing burger for me. And we're seeing that the total balance of this portfolio is 331,000. So that's our gaming portfolio. Now let's take a look at remember, this is not financial advice, guys. This is not financial advice. Don't forget to smash the likes. Give super chats if you're loving this channel like I'm loving you guys in the house. So this is the channel portfolio, and we created this portfolio online on July 2nd on a live stream. And this is not financial advice. It's just the OG expressing opinion, and it's still up 80%, guys. Even though we've had these ups and downs and a bit of a Debbie Downer, this year's been weird, guys, and we're still up $4,000 right now. So you guys can see that this year has been a weird one, indeed a weird one. You can see that out of the whole 12 months, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months have been negative. And that's kind of really weird because, when you often have these bull runs like in 2017, we only had like 3 bad months. But this year has been kind of weird. So I'm really hoping, as we saw in 2017, we had 3 bad months, a huge December. We're definitely not getting a huge December close this year. So, it looks like we did get that lump of coal after all from Santa, and things are not looking pretty good in the house. Let's take a look at Ethereum right now. Ethereum right now is not doing too good. It's well below the $4,000 level, and we're finding some pretty good support around this level. We've got like 3 touching points here, so we're finding some good support around about the 3.9 level. So that is where we're finding our support right now. Hopefully this support will hold intact, and then we can hopefully retest the $4,000 soon. So it is what it is, guys. I know a lot of you guys are panicking out there and going, what's going on? Do not worry about it. This is all going to wash out in the next 24 to 48 hours. We're seeing that the volumes are picking up, so that's pretty good. A lot of it's selling, though. A lot of it is selling, and we're seeing that the total market cap is at 2.39 trillion. The dominance has come down a little bit, but it hasn't really affected the altcoins because Bitcoin is really dragging the markets down because it's going down, diddy, down. And we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is at 49,200. That's down 4%. Ethereum is down 4% as well, 3,921. And if we look at the total markets here, we can see the total markets also down 3.8%. So any coins that are 3.8% or above, that is good, right? That means that they're performing better than the market. So Ethereum is slightly performing worse than the market, and it's down 4%. BNB is doing pretty good, guys, up 1%. I'm not sure why. I think it's because they've announced that they're going to be, before they had like the quarterly burning of their tokens, and now it's going to be, every transaction is going to be a burn. So that's why that's happening. So we're at $556 in the house. Solana is down 5.28%, so that's doing worse than the market. Right now it's $190. And ADA is in line with the market, so that's pretty good. Luna is down almost 7%. That's not good. People took some profit because yesterday Luna was on fire. And we're seeing that the DOT is also down almost 6.7%, so that's not good at $29. And we're seeing that Doge is down 4.3%. It's at 18.5. We're seeing the Shiba Inu in the house is at 3.35. So things are not looking too good, guys. So this is just a quick one. Let you guys get out of here. So guys and gals, do go back and follow me on Twitter. Follow. We got 3,554 followers. Follow, guys, because we're publishing the news. We're publishing some TA on here. We're publishing tips and all sorts of cool stuff, guys. And don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, YB in the house. You want to get it. And don't forget to go and pop on over to the Wifey's channel. Subscribe over there if you want Zen music. It's cool music. It's relaxing music. And you guys probably need some relaxing music now with the markets being down, right? You're probably like, not doing too good. And if you want to get some OG merch, gear up with the OG merch. Get the backpack, get the Love the Mug. This is the most popular item, guys. Get it. You're going to love it, guys. You're absolutely going to love it. So I just want to say God bless each and every one of you out there. Thank you for watching, guys. And this video, this channel would not be here without you guys, my community. So I just want to say thank you, community. Thank you, subscribers. Thank you, members. Thank you for being here. And hopefully this update was informative, intuitive, and timely, guys. So don't forget to go down there and smash the likes, comment, guys, and comment as always, and share this video. Tell your friends about the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto in the house. Woo! Let's get it, guys. I love it. You love it. Let's get it. Woo hoo hoo.